Hello everyone, Jack Huang here, customer training specialist at RosterElf. I'm excited to guide you on how to set unpaid break rules by shift length. These rules ensure consistency and streamlined scheduling for your team. How to access roster settings. Click on Settings in the top menu. This is where you can manage your roster settings. Select Roster from the dropdown. This will take you to the Roster Settings page. How to navigate to the Unpaid Breaks tab. Choose the Unpaid Breaks option within roster settings. This is where you create break rules based on shift length. How to customize unpaid breaks by shift length. Define a break duration for each shift length range. This ensures the correct unpaid break is automatically applied. Use examples like a 30-minute break for 5 to 6 hour shifts or 60 minutes for 8+ hour shifts. This keeps breaks consistent and fair. That's it for setting unpaid break rules by shift length. If you have any questions, our friendly support team is always here. Happy rostering, and see you next time.